Hi everyone, my name is Zain, and in this video I bring you a website. Its name is myfridgefood.com. Okay, so let's see. This is the homepage, and as you can know by the name and the homepage that it is about food. It is about food, and you can see a lots of ad. Yeah, it does have because somehow it has to make money. So yeah, okay, so you are wondering what's this website is about. Well, let's go down and check it out. So here, let's see, it's about like what are the things you have available in your home or fridge. Okay, so and you tick on those things which you have it in home, and then at the end it sees all the items and it give you a recipe. It adds all the ingredients and it gives you the recipe. Okay, let's see what we have. Let's try. We have an apple, broccoli, cinnamon, cream. Let's see, salsa, ramen, potato. Okay, these are the ingredients I added. Okay, so these are the ingredients I have added. So let's suppose these are the ingredients that you have in your fridge. Okay, and now you don't know what to make of it. Okay, so now it will tell you here in find recipe. It will tell you all the ingredients, all the recipes, all the food that you can make from all the ingredients. Okay, let's see, here it is. You can make these things: basic bacon, see here, bakers, salads, like this. It tells you everything, like salad side, 10 minutes it will take, this much calories it have, carbs, fat, protein, like this. See, so see let's say you pick this one, let's say homemade fries. See, it's written everything. Okay, it also tells the missing ingredients. Let's say you have everything you have every ingredients to make things, but you doesn't have olive oil, and it tells you, see, missing ingredients. Let's say I have olive oil. Okay, let's check. See here, it gives everything in the top detail. It gives the nutrition description, and it tells how much we need and everything, what you need, how many time to cook it, like this. And it also gives the related recipe. See, potato, french fries, like this. See, it's a very useful website. Let's say if you have less things and you want to learn how to cook and stuff like this, it's very useful website for that. It has good amount of recipe. You can like pinpoint it, because there's no other website where you can like pinpoint and write that you have and you want to make this and that. Like in here you can pinpoint what you have and what you doesn't have, like this. So you can make a lots of good things on a budget. It's a very good website, I found. And yeah, that's it. So that's it for today. I hope this website helped you, and if it does, make sure to subscribe, like and share. Bye bye. I'll see you guys on the next video.